We are going to practice culture of breath. What is the breath? Breath is nothing but life. Breath and breathing is associated with the flow of air element inside outside. Lungs expands and contracts. This expansion contraction, this activity is accepted by all, each and every cell and tissue of the body. Take any part of head to toes, there you will find expansion, contraction. This practice is also called Pranayama. Why? Pran means life. And Pran means life, then what is the structure, function, properties of life? That is called the Ayam. When we write Pranayam, this is the Pran Ayam. Ayam means structure, function, properties of Pran. And try to understand it, that is called Pranayam. If you know this science, how to culture the breath, then you can keep your living on this earth till you decide. Nothing will be uncertain, but you should be master of this, how to culture breath. I started Kriyayoga writing like this, because ultimate truth is there is no space, there is no distance before how Kriyayoga is written generally. This is the Kriya and this is the Yoga. I got message from masters that we have to edit it, try to remove space, distance. Then I removed it. In the beginning when I was writing, it was not coming easily in the Google, in the YouTube. Now when you write it, it pops out. This Kriyayoga word itself brings realization there is no space between letters. It represents truth. And if you know the truth, you know how to create anything. Today we are ready to create. Creation is a technical word. We call it culture. And culture of bacteria, culture of tissues, culture of human cells, culture of plant cells, culture of animal cells. Culture means creation, like Brahma. Therefore, we are going to practice culture of breath. What is the breath? Breath is nothing but life. Why breath is life? What we know, we are human beings living in Patal Lok. This is Patal Lok. There is no problem. We have got power how to ascend Patal Lok, enter into heaven, Swarga. We have got full ability. Therefore, when we say the breath, generally, breath and breathing is associated with the flow of air element inside outside. In that air, how many varieties of gases are there? Many. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, so many varieties. And invisible gases and visible gases, you can detect it. Therefore, flow of this air, it is very well recognized by one apparatus which is called lungs inside thoracic area. Lungs expands and contracts. And this expansion, contraction, this activity is accepted by all, each and every cell and tissue of the body, in the form of skin, muscles, cartilage, bones, blood cells, lymphatic channels, lymph nodes. Take any part of head to toes, there you will find expansion, contraction. Speed of a heart, of expansion, contraction is different. Lungs different, kidney different. Everywhere, the nails of the toes nails of the fingers, all are having the same phenomena, expansion, contraction, but their speed is different. Therefore, if you are ready, if you know this science, how to culture the breath, then you can keep your living on this earth till you decide. Nothing will be uncertain, but you should be master of this, how to culture breath. And this is a very easy task. Culture of bacteria, culture of tissue of the plant to make a plant, culture of a human cell to make a human being, culture of anything a little more typical. In that we need more patience. But culture of life, culture of breath is very easy. This is called practicing Kriyayoga meditation. Then how to do this? This is very easy. You see the banyan tree? Banyan tree demonstrates the root is coming down. From each branch there are many roots. This root is called a respiratory root. The same respiratory root is transformed into trunk. In the same way, the same respiratory function, incoming, outgoing breath, this respiratory function, which is being operated by the lungs, expansion, contraction, it has power to transform in the form of this gross structure. Let's go outside the banyan tree. You will see banyan tree is this, branches are there, from branches roots are coming down. These roots are called respiratory organs. They respire. And after that, that respiratory organs is able to transform in the form of tree. Again tree will give branches further, again there will be roots. Because of this phenomena, life of banyan tree is eternal. Suppose that you are cutting, destroying, still it will be there, it will come up. Today we are going to practice culture of breath. This practice is also called Pranayama. Why Pran means life? When Pran means life, then what is the structure, function, properties of life? That is called the ayam. When we write Pranayama in Hindi, this is called Pran plus ayam. Ayam, we pronounce like that. Ayam, Pran. This is the Pran, Ayam. Ayam means structure, function, properties of Pran. And try to understand it, that is called Pranayama. Try to remember, this universe is called Patal Lok. All education, medical, engineering, whatever we have education, the university and college, all our education are Patal Lok. If a topper having gold medalist, having good salary, still it is Patal Lok education. Therefore you cannot claim that by having academic course you are going to experience ultimate joy. You cannot understand it. Therefore now, because we have great demand, Mahatma Baba demonstrated, I can live forever and I am holding the same body. It means there are chances of practicing this. We can hold ourselves till we decide. Therefore, Kriyayoga education is called education which gives journey, facility which facilitates our movement from the Patal Lok to Swarg Lok. Now I am going to give you practice. हम आपको अभ्यास देते हैं, हमारे साथ अभ्यास करिए.